Welcome to the enchanting city of Innsbruck, cradled in the heart of the Austrian Alps. A place where the air is crisp and clean, every breath you take feels like a gulp of pure, invigorating life. The cityscape, a harmonious blend of traditional architecture and modern infrastructure, is a sight to behold. Nestled amidst towering mountain ranges, Innsbruck is a perfect amalgamation of urban life and serene nature. The city's vibrant history is visible in every corner, from grand palaces that once housed royalty to quaint houses with intricately carved wooden balconies. Walk through the cobblestone streets and you'll find yourself transported back in time, amidst structures that have stood the test of centuries. Marvel at the magnificent imperial palace, a relic of the Habsburg monarchy, or the golden roof gleaming under the sun, a testimony to the city's glory. The culture of Innsbruck is a tapestry woven with threads of music, art, and tradition. Festivals and events bustling with life, the locals' warm hospitality, and the melodious tunes of folk music fill the air, enriching the city with an irresistible charm. Innsbruck's natural beauty is breathtaking. The panoramic view of the snow-capped Alps, the lush green valleys dotted with wildflowers, the clear blue rivers meandering through the city, all make for a picture-perfect postcard. Enjoy a peaceful boat ride on the Inn River, or hike up the Nordkette Mountains for an exhilarating experience. The city is also a renowned destination for winter sports, offering world-class skiing, snowboarding, and ice climbing opportunities. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or a tranquility seeker, Innsbruck will not disappoint. This picturesque destination, rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, promises an unforgettable journey that will leave you yearning for more. Innsbruck is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. The majestic Nordkette mountain range, a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts, takes center stage. A thrilling cable car ride whisks you up to the heart of the Alpine wonderland, offering breathtaking views of the city below. Venture into the vibrant old town, where the past and the present seamlessly blend together. Meander through narrow cobblestone streets, flanked by colorful buildings and charming cafes, and tantalize your taste buds with traditional Austrian cuisine. The iconic golden roof, a testament to the grandeur of the Habsburg Empire, is an unmissable sight. As you admire its ornate details and elegant architecture, you can't help but be transported back in time. Innsbruck's sporting legacy is proudly displayed at the Olympic ski jump. The anticipation builds as dedicated athletes prepare for their next jump, a thrilling spectacle that pays tribute to the city's rich Olympic history. But Innsbruck offers more than cultural exploration. It's an adventure seeker's paradise, boasting year-round outdoor activities. Whether you're hiking, biking, or skiing, immerse yourself in the pristine nature that surrounds this city, and let your spirit soar amidst the Austrian Alpine landscape. As the sun sets on this unforgettable journey, the beauty and charm of Innsbruck continue to resonate. Until the next adventure, keep exploring, keep wandering, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring travel vlogs. Remember, the world is full of captivating destinations waiting to be discovered.